In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change URL on Substack. If you want to rebrand or make your publication easier to find, updating your Substack URL, also called your subdomain, is a quick process. Just keep in mind that this change is considered permanent within Substack settings, so take a moment to choose carefully before you confirm. Start by signing in and opening your Substack dashboard. From there, head to the settings area. You'll usually find it in your main navigation. This is where all your publication preferences live, including options for your site address. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see a section labeled Danger Zone. The name is intentional. This area contains powerful actions that can't easily be undone. We're using it specifically to change your publication subdomain, so proceed thoughtfully. Inside the Danger Zone, look for the option that says Change Publication Subdomain. This is the setting that controls the part of your URL that appears before it's substack.com. Click the button or link that says Change Subdomain. When you do, Substack will display a confirmation prompt. It will ask if you're sure you want to change your subdomain permanently. Pause here and double check that you're ready. Changing your URL can affect how readers find you, so plan to update any links you've shared in your social bios, emails, website navigation, or past posts. Some bookmarked links may no longer work, so it's a good idea to notify your audience after the change. If you're confident, click OK on the confirmation prompt. You'll now be able to enter your new subdomain. Type the exact name you want. This is the part that appears before substack.com. A few quick tips while you choose. Keep it short, clear, and close to your publication's name. Avoid special characters and spaces. Stick to lowercase for consistency, and pick something you won't want to change again. If the name is already taken, try a simple variation that's still easy to remember. After entering your new subdomain, click OK to save it. Substack will process the change, which may take a moment. When it's done, visit your publication using the new URL to confirm everything looks right. Refresh your browser if needed. It's also smart to test a couple of common links, like your homepage and a recent post, to make sure they load correctly at the new address. That's it. You've successfully changed your Substack URL. Update your external links, let your readers know about the new address, and you're all set. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.